This is a black baby, and this is a white baby. They're identical. The only difference is the skin color. In the 1940s, a university professor showed young black kids these two baby dolls and asked them a simple question. Which baby doll is ugly and which baby doll is beautiful? The black kids' answer is not what you would expect. In fact, their answer made people cry.
Which doll is the ugly doll?
But first, back up a little bit. We all know the world is full of racism. You can see it everywhere. But here is the crazy part. When there is so much racism, at some point it gets into our own head. And we start to believe that if, for example, black is bad and I am black, then I am bad. This is what they said.
Which doll is the ugly doll? Why is that doll ugly?
Because he's black.
And which doll is the bad doll? And why is that doll pretty?
Because he's white and he has two eyes.
This should make you sad, but not surprised. According to researchers, this is expected behavior. By 3 months old, babies can tell one race from another. By 2 years old, they can stereotype. Since we are born, we learn to love our own race or to hate it. I know how it feels because I felt it too. I grew up thinking I'm not good enough. I am an Arab. On TV, I'm the terrorist. In movies, I kill people. In popular culture, I am the primitive desert man. So I started to think, this is not beautiful and this is beautiful. This is successful. This is rich. This is peaceful. And this is not.
Show me the mean child. Okay, why is she the mean child?
Because she's way darker. I just don't like the way Brown looks, because the way Brown looks really nasty for some reason, but I don't know what reason.
Getting rid of self-hate is not easy. Albert Einstein once said, "What a sad era when it is easier to smash an atom than a prejudice." It is easier to break an atom into two than to break stereotypes about a certain race or certain people. Think about that. This is not supposed to be a depressing video. After that experiment was made, it was used as evidence in the Supreme Court that segregation and racism are bad. And soon after, the US Supreme Court ruled that you cannot segregate students at schools based on their race, and you cannot make people of a certain race feel inferior. As for me, it took me decades of hard work. But now I know I am equal to the white race, and billions of other people are starting to think that too. Slowly but surely, society is changing, and in the future, kids will answer, the white doll and the black doll are both beautiful. See you next week.